Video 515, Hashicorp Terraform Part 5. Let's go to this URL. Notice that this is Terraform 6, even though we're on Hashicorp Terraform 5. I apologize for the malalignment of these names here. But this right here is the gallery for video 515. The video we're on right now, this is the gallery for it. So first thing we're going to do is take this URL in the first screenshot, and we're going to paste it in here so that we can work off of the tutorial, work off where we left off here. So let's go look at this. So install Terraform, and then down here there's another install Terraform section. Okay. And manual installation, precompiled binary, appropriate package. So are we clicking appropriate package? Yes, we're clicking appropriate package. So let's go down here to the second install Terraform, manual installation, precompiled binary, appropriate package. Let's go click that. Okay, so now it brings us to another thing that says install Terraform. I see some options. Mac OS, I'm not on Mac. Let's click Windows. Okay, we got two versions, 386 and AMD 64. Which one do I press? I don't know. Let's go look at the notes here. Okay, so we're at Terraform/downloads. Is that where we're at? Yeah, Terraform/downloads. Okay. And, okay, Mac OS. We're going to click Windows because I'm on Windows. Okay, which version? Which version? Okay, we got a choice between these two things. 386 processor is what? Okay, so it's a 32-bit processor, which tells me it's for a 32-bit Windows. So we do not want the 386. We want the AMD 64. So we're going to go select this AMD 64, and we're just going to hit that download button. Now, I've already downloaded this. So I pressed the download button, and I got Terraform underscore 1.3.6 Windows AMD 64.zip. I extracted it all, and after I extracted it all, I copied this. So I copied it, or actually I cutted it. I cutted it? That's a weird word. So I cut the file, and I pasted it into the root where I want it to go. r/exe/CLI Hashicorp. CLI for command line interface. We pasted it right here, and in the next video, so actually I renamed it as well. I renamed it to this right here. I renamed it to this. In the next video, we'll run it. So like, subscribe, send money in the mail.